We cannot control our circumstances, but we can control our reactions. There will be times when things will not be as we want. People will not speak nice words to us. Maybe sometimes they demean us or say bad about us. Hi everyone, this is Renu Sharma. Today I will discuss why we should not give away our power and what should we do to maintain peaceful state of mind. It is fact that many times situation will not be favorable and people will say something which we will not like. I'm sure many of you must have experienced this in your lifetime. When you complain about the behavior of some relative to your spouse and you hope that your spouse will take your side, right? But to your surprise, you get the opposite reaction. Yes, then you feel very bad. This does not happen once, but every time this person demean you, you either try to escape yourself by leaving that place or by avoiding going to their home. Or you simply cry, argue with your spouse, or discuss with others by recreating that scene again and again. Right now, the question arises, what should I do? In my opinion, if it is a serious issue, then take the help of others. But if it is not that big issue, then do not try to prove them anything or explain your point of view because it will be a great possibility that they will not listen you or understand you. There are lots of ways we give away our power. And here I will discuss what we should do in those situations, which I have learned from my own experiences reading books and also following Joel Austin, Julia, and many others. And I don't remember their name exactly, but I will share here what I have learned from them. First and foremost is that everyone has the right to express their views. You cannot force anyone to think in certain way. Expect from everyone to like you and say nice words about you. And it is a fact that you also do not like everyone and your opinion about everyone is not always nice, right? So give them benefit of doubt. If they are really saying something bad, then you have the right to maintain your calm state of mind by blessing them, just smiling or ignoring what they are saying by not giving them reaction as they desire. People and situation around us are the manifestation of our own vibration. If you want to change, then shift your vibration by controlling your negative thoughts and then gradually your vibration will change. Start believing in yourself. If you are insecure, you do not love yourself, you do not know who you are, then small things will affect you. The day when you will become self confident, secure, know your true value, nothing will affect you anymore. It will not happen overnight, but spirituality, self help books, positive affirmations, training, and seminar in this regard will help. Next way of giving away our power is people pleasing. Let's take the example of family or friend. Because you want to help them and make them happy, whenever you see them unhappy for quite some time, then you feel it is your responsibility to build up their happiness. But if they want to be unhappy, they can be unhappy. What we usually do is that we get involved in their unhappiness that we destroy our own natural joy. Then we are giving away our power, but it is our responsibility to make ourselves happy as it is our birthright to be happy. Next way of losing our power is by seeking validations from others. When you like to impress so and so, it may be your friend, family, colleague, boss, or anybody. You do it to get good feeling. You are doing this, give me validation so that I can feel okay because I am incredibly insecure, right? Next time, do not try to impress others. When you do this, push yourself back. Remember, you are diving somebody think that you are not good enough. Here, my suggestion is that you should impress only one person, and that person is you. This is the beautiful relationship that you can have with yourself. You do not realize how powerful you are. You are afraid to communicate the truth. If you do this, then you are afraid that your boyfriend, girlfriend, or partner might walk. If he or she does this, then it is good thing for you because it shows that this person is not good for you. In this situation, you should say, I'm not going to allow this to affect me and how I can do things differently so that it does not happen again and what lesson I have learned. Next way of losing our power is by following self-pity. Let's say someone had said not nice words to us and then we do negative self-talk in our mind. Once our mind get going, then it will keep on moving in that direction and we feel horrible because we have given power to our mind for blaming external situation. Instead of this, take your responsibility by not giving power to your mind for creating this kind of thoughts. By trying to control others, it can be your family member, spouse, friend, or anybody. You control with better intention because you want to change someone's life and want to see best for people. When you put your happiness, your potential, your power in their growth, and if they do not grow, and they are not taking all the information that you have given to them, then you feel horrible. Remember one thing, it is not your responsibility to help them grow. There are some people around us who are energy sucking vampires. I'm sounding mean, but I'm sure you must be knowing some of them. These energy sucking vampires are looking for conflicts and negative situations so that they can feed in. So every time when you react to those people, either they said something bad to you or did something whatever it is. Every time you react, either getting into argument or fighting back to them, teaching them a lesson. Every time you react to those people, you are giving away your own power. You invest in them your own energy. Afterwards, you feel bad because these people feed in your energy field. They make holes in your aura and you feel depleted. So, I want you to understand this. Every time you react, you destroy yourself. You do not learn your lesson, and the situation is going to come to your life again and again and will try to teach you a lesson. So, I suggest you to start being aware to cut yourself from the situation when you want to react. You are a soul having human experience. Your soul is complete, secure, and happy. It is your ego that is telling you, no, you are not enough. And those people are trying to take away something from you. They are trying to be better than you. They are trying to put you down. It is all in your head. Once you master to love yourself, that you are enough just the way you are. You are amazing. You are precious. You are unique. Nothing will affect you. So, I would like you to stand in front of the mirror and ask yourself where are you giving away your power and what you need to do differently. I will suggest you to conserve your time and energy for greater things. Believe me, time will prove everything. but focus on maintaining your peace. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my new videos. See you in next video.